The arms race between Russia and the United States is still on. Fighter jets will be answered with fighter jets too.The Sukhoi Su-75 Checkmate is a single-seat, single-engine, lightweight stealth multirole fighter developed by Sukhoi Russia for the Russian Air Force. The Su-75, a derivative of the Su-57, reportedly incorporates the latest systems, including an open architecture configuration to meet customer needs and unique artificial intelligence technology. UA subsidiary Rostec also claims that the single-engine stealth fighter will be equipped with compartments for air-to-air and air-to-surface weaponry, while the aircraft can carry a payload of more than 7 tons and will be able to strike up to 6 targets at once. The Checkmate fighter will reportedly be able to fly at Mach 1.8, 1.8 times the speed of sound, and have an operating range of 3,000 km. The design is typical of fifth-generation fighters, with a supersonic inlet with no diverter, an internal weapons bay and a radar-absorbing layer, all designed to reduce radar cross-section, RCS, and make the Checkmate a stealth fighter. Inside, the cockpit appears to be laid out almost identically to the Su-57. Its avionics include an active electronically scanned array radar, a must in modern fighters, as well as open architecture code that greatly facilitates the update process. A recent report from TASS also reported that the Su-75 has an open architecture and unique artificial intelligence technology and can attack 6 targets simultaneously. UAC has patented 3 modifications: single-seat, 2-seat, and unmanned. The first development batch is now reported to start production in 2026. Despite the hype, in January 2022, John V. Paracchini, senior international defense researcher and former director of the RAND Research Institute's Center for Intelligence Policy, argued that Checkmate is nothing more than marketing vaporware, referring to software and hardware that never materializes after being introduced with much fanfare. Moscow is also working hard to find foreign buyers as well as development partners for the Su-75 Checkmate. In November 2021, Rostec even held talks with Emirati companies to jointly produce Checkmate, but less than a year later, the UAE pulled out of the program, which would have likely depleted a crucial source of funding. Last year, the aircraft was presented at the Aero India 2023 International Air Show, and plans were announced to discuss potential collaboration with India in developing the fighter. However, it appears that New Delhi has no interest in partnering on this program. It appears that the UAC is trying other measures to generate interest in Checkmate.